Okay, good afternoon. So we are in town looking at economic 2 bedrooms, 1 bathrooms. This main room has an AC and a fan. The other has only ACs. You have a fridge, 4 gas stove, a laundry area, type of patio, green area in front of you. So it comes with Wi-Fi and water. You pay extra the electricity. And the monthly price is $350 per month. It has like a green area, so it means a sofa and has no TV. Here are your chairs to relax. And you have like a green area in front of you. The main street is about 60 or 70 meters from here. And we are 4 blocks from the beach, so 7-minute walk.